Ugh, Ben. My launch emails just weren't connecting. Crickets.
Same boat here, Chloe. I think my sales message might be all wrong.
Hold on. I just got this email from the Hodalaki Guy Challenge, from crickets to cheers. And their first tip is about aligning our message with our ideal student's needs.
Ideal student? You mean there's a specific person we should be talking to?
Exactly. This email says it all starts with understanding their deepest desires and challenges.
That makes sense. Maybe I've been talking in generalities instead of connecting with their specific pain points.
Bingo. This challenge might be just what we need to refine our message and attract the right students.
I'm in. Let's do this.
Awesome. Time to turn those crickets into cheers.